Are you dreaming of a kitchen that's as charming as it is functional? Imagine a space where rustic meets elegance, where time-worn wooden beams, antique accents, and soft pastel hues come together to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. If you're tired of the same old modern designs and want something that feels both timeless and fresh, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into French country kitchen ideas that will completely transform your space. Stick around for tips on how to blend rustic charm with modern sophistication and bring the elegance of the French countryside right into your home. French country design is one of those rare styles that never goes out of fashion. Whether you're renovating your current kitchen or starting from scratch, this timeless look combines rustic warmth with refined elegance, making it the perfect choice for any home. In today's video, we'll walk you through the key elements that make up a French country kitchen. From the rich textures and vintage pieces to the soothing color palettes that bring everything together. But it's not just about aesthetics. We'll also explore ways to incorporate modern functionality without sacrificing style. By the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration you need to create your dream kitchen, where rustic charm meets effortless elegance. So, let's get started. French country kitchens have long been a symbol of comfort and elegance. The style itself is a perfect blend of rustic charm and timeless beauty, making it ideal for homeowners looking to add a bit of old-world charm to their homes. Often inspired by the rural kitchens of France, this style is rooted in practicality, with a focus on natural materials and vintage touches, but it's also about creating an environment that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. In this video, we'll explore how to achieve that balance, where rustic meets elegance, by incorporating key design elements into your kitchen. Rustic charm. At the heart of any French country kitchen is rustic charm. This includes distressed wood finishes, vintage furniture, and reclaimed materials. The goal is to create a lived-in, comfortable atmosphere where every piece tells a story. Wooden beams, whether exposed or painted, are a signature feature in these kitchens, giving a sense of history and authenticity. For cabinetry, opting for hand-painted or distressed finishes can give the kitchen an instantly aged look, which is both charming and practical. Natural materials. One of the most defining characteristics of French country kitchens is the use of natural materials. Stone countertops, wooden cabinetry, and tile flooring add texture and warmth to the space. Marble, soapstone, or granite can be used for countertops, offering both beauty and durability. Wooden elements, such as butcher block islands or reclaimed wood shelves, add a rustic appeal and connect the space with nature. Choosing earthy, natural materials is key to achieving that authentic French farmhouse vibe. Soft, warm colors. The color palette of French country kitchens is soft, warm, and inviting. Think neutral shades like creamy whites, warm beiges, and soft grays, mixed with touches of pastel blues, yellows, or greens. These colors bring a sense of calm and tranquility to the space, while also making it feel larger and brighter. The key here is subtlety. Avoid overly bold or bright colors that could detract from the serene, rustic elegance of the design. Antique and vintage pieces. Incorporating antique or vintage pieces is another hallmark of the French country style. Whether it's a set of old ceramic plates, a vintage dresser turned into a sideboard, or a weathered wooden table, these items add character and soul to the kitchen. Antiques don't just add to the aesthetic, they also help tell the story of the space, giving it a lived-in, personal touch. For the most authentic look, mix and match different eras and styles, such as vintage lighting, retro pottery, or even an old-fashioned breadboard. Open shelving. French country kitchens often feature open shelving, which serves both practical and decorative purposes. This type of shelving allows you to display beautiful dishware, vintage glassware, or charming rustic accessories, adding a personal touch to the space. It also creates an informal, accessible vibe, which is in line with the welcoming nature of the style. While it's important to keep these shelves organized, the look is meant to be more relaxed and comfortable, unlike the perfectionism often found in contemporary kitchens. While French country kitchens are traditionally rustic, there's no reason not to blend in some modern elements. Incorporating modern appliances is an easy way to add convenience without sacrificing the charm of the style. For instance, stainless steel appliances like refrigerators or ranges can coexist beautifully with vintage cabinetry or a farmhouse sink. The trick is to balance modern features with the rustic details to maintain the timeless appeal of the French country aesthetic. Another way to bring in modern touches is through smart storage solutions. French country kitchens are known for being functional, and there are many modern innovations that can help enhance practicality while maintaining a vintage look. For example, pull-out pantries, deep drawers, or hidden trash bins can all be designed to blend seamlessly with the traditional design elements of your kitchen. The key is to keep the space looking timeless while making sure it works for your modern lifestyle. When it comes to layout, French country kitchens thrive on spacious, open designs that promote easy flow and functionality. Open floor plans are common, as they allow for effortless movement between cooking, dining, and living spaces. A large kitchen island is often the centerpiece of these layouts, providing ample prep space as well as storage. For smaller kitchens, a functional layout that maximizes space is crucial. Consider incorporating multi-purpose furniture, like an island that doubles as both a prep area and a dining nook. French country kitchens also often have breakfast nooks, cozy corners where family can gather for meals or casual conversation. The key is to create a kitchen that feels expansive and accessible without overcrowding the space with unnecessary furniture or clutter. The final touches make all the difference in a French country kitchen. Lighting plays a crucial role, with statement chandeliers or vintage lamps being the go-to choice for this style. Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy ambiance, while under-cabinet lighting can highlight your natural materials and add subtle warmth. Fabrics and textiles are another way to bring the French country look to life. Linen curtains, floral or gingham print tablecloths, and rustic aprons are all great ways to introduce soft textures. These small functional items can also serve as beautiful decor accents that tie the room together. Fresh flowers or herbs in simple vases, along with rustic ceramic or terracotta pots, complete the look. These natural elements create a warm, inviting space that feels connected to nature. Achieving the French country look doesn't have to break the bank. Many of the design elements are budget-friendly and can be done with a little creativity. For example, distressed furniture is easy to replicate with a coat of paint and some sanding. Upcycled items, such as vintage crates or old cabinets, can be given new life with a little work. Flea markets, thrift stores, and online marketplaces are also great places to find antique or vintage items at affordable prices. Another budget-friendly option is to paint old cabinets or replace hardware with vintage-style handles and knobs. Even small changes like adding open shelving or using DIY natural materials can help you achieve the French country look without spending a fortune. If you're ready to create a French country kitchen that blends rustic charm with timeless elegance, now's the time to start. Begin by picking your favorite elements from today's video and think about how you can incorporate them into your space. Don't forget to subscribe to the Design Lounge for more design inspiration and tips. If you've got any questions or want more personalized advice, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're bringing the beauty of French country style into your kitchen.